Every year, people around the world eat more than 1.5 trillion eggs. Some giant egg farms have over 1 million hens under one roof. These hens lay 800,000 eggs every day, all handled with smart machines and no human touch. Today, we'll walk through one of these egg farms. You'll see how eggs go from hen to carton, cleaned, sorted, and even turned into boiled eggs or liquid egg products, all without a single crack. Let's go inside one of the world's most advanced egg farms. Life inside a giant egg farm. Welcome to a modern industrial egg farm. Tens of thousands of hens live here, raised in large high-tech barns. Automatic machines feed them and provide fresh water rich in minerals. Smart sensors control the temperature to keep hens healthy, calm, and laying eggs regularly. These hens are part of a system where everything is monitored to produce clean, high-quality eggs. The barns are also cleaned often and disinfected to prevent any spread of disease. Thousands of eggs every day. Each hen lays one egg almost every day. Multiply that by thousands of hens, and you get a mountain of fresh eggs every morning. The eggs don't sit in nests. Instead, they roll gently onto long conveyor belts. These belts move the eggs without needing anyone to pick them up. It's fast, clean, and damage-free. A farm with 100,000 hens can make 30 million eggs a year. That's why automation is key. It helps move millions of eggs safely every day. Packing begins, gentle and fast. After collection, the eggs go straight to the tray packing area. Here, robot arms pick up each egg and place them into special trays. These trays hold the eggs safely as they travel to the next step. At the factory, machines remove the eggs from trays one by one. They move smoothly and slowly to avoid cracks. Even a tiny crack can ruin the egg or make it unsafe to eat. So this step is done with care. The eggs are then sorted by size, small, medium. No hands, no mistakes. Robotic arms handle each egg with soft grips. There's no human contact, no dropping, and no mess. Thousands of eggs move through the system in a single minute. Every egg is kept clean, safe, and ready for inspection. Then comes the inspection process. Eggs pass under bright lights and a UV scanner. This step checks for invisible cracks, dirt, or stains that the human eye can't catch. Only perfect eggs make it past this point. Washing, drying, and coating. Now the eggs go into the washing station. Warm water or ozone spray gently removes any dirt and bacteria from the shell. After that, hot air dries them. Some farms add a thin mineral oil coating. This invisible layer keeps moisture inside and blocks bacteria, helping eggs stay fresh longer. Before packing, each egg is weighed one more time. It's a double check to make sure every egg in a carton is the right size. Then, it's off to packaging. Liquid eggs, a different path. Not all eggs are sold whole. Some are turned into liquid egg products. In this case, machines crack open the eggs one by one. The yolks fall gently into small cups, while the whites are carefully poured out. This machine process separates them cleanly, with no shell pieces or mess. Depending on what's needed, factories produce whole liquid egg, only yolks, only egg whites. Once separated, the liquid eggs are mixed to keep a smooth texture. Then, they go through pasteurization, a gentle heating process that kills bacteria without harming the egg's taste or nutrition. Final packaging and cold storage. The clean, sorted eggs are placed into paper trays or eco-friendly cartons. Each carton is sealed automatically and given a label with important information, including a traceability code. This code lets you know exactly where your eggs came from, even down to the farm and batch. Finally, cartons are packed into boxes, stacked, and sent into cold chain transport. This system keeps eggs fresh as they travel across the country to stores. How boiled eggs are made. Some eggs are made into ready-to-eat hard-boiled eggs. These go through a special process. First, they are washed like usual. Then they enter a high-pressure steam cooker for around 15 to 20 minutes at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, they go through rapid cooling. This stops the cooking and keeps them firm. Next, machines automatically peel the shells, rinse the eggs again, inspect them, and pack them neatly. It's all done by machines, clean, fast, and with no broken eggs. Chickens roam freely, basking in the sun and foraging in lush green hills. This isn't a scene from a storybook. It's the daily life of chickens in certain parts of China. While many chickens worldwide live in cramped cages, these free-range chickens enjoy a natural and healthy lifestyle. In the mountainous regions of Yangshan, Guangdong Province, farmers have adopted a unique method of raising chickens. Here, chickens like the renowned Yangshan breed roam freely, feeding on organic corn and natural forage. These chickens grow over 4 to 5 months, reaching weights of 2.5 to 3 kilograms. Unlike caged chickens, free-range chickens live in open spaces, enjoying sunlight and fresh air. They forage for insects and plants, leading to healthier and tastier meat. However, they lay fewer eggs, about 100 to 120 annually. But these eggs are richer in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. The journey begins with high-quality eggs incubated at around 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit with proper humidity. After 21 days, chicks hatch and are moved to warm, clean pens lined with straw. Farmers provide them with clean water and nutritious food, As the chicks grow, they're introduced to the outdoors, where they spend their days exploring the hills. Farmers often live stream their activities to connect with customers and promote sales. The chickens' diet includes grasshoppers and other natural foods found in their environment. To encourage egg laying, farmers build simple nests using bamboo and leaves. In areas like Tinan, over 50,000 chickens roam across 200 hectares, laying eggs in about 30 barns. Farmers collect eggs twice daily, ensuring none are missed. Collected eggs undergo light cleaning to preserve their natural protective layer. They're then packed in trays and delivered to markets and customers. Free-range eggs often fetch higher prices, reflecting their quality and the humane farming practices. When it's time, chickens are humanely harvested in facilities that process up to 15,000 birds per hour. They're stunned, cleaned, and packaged, with options for whole chickens or specific parts. Free-range chickens typically weigh between 1.8 and 2.4 kilograms and are known for their flavorful meat. Regions like Mongolia and South America, sheep and goats graze freely across vast landscapes. This natural movement strengthens their muscles and boosts immunity. Rotational grazing practices not only improve soil health, but also enhance plant diversity, leading to more sustainable farming. Combining sheep and goats in grazing areas is strategic. Goats consume woody plants, clearing land for sheep to access fresh grass. This mixed species grazing optimizes land use and increases productivity. Goat milk is a valuable resource, rich in nutrients and easier to digest than cow's milk. The cheese-making process involves heating the milk, adding cultures and rennet, allowing it to curdle, and then draining the whey. The result is a variety of cheeses, from soft and fresh to hard and aged, each with distinct flavors. La Claire Creamery. This artisanal approach not only preserves traditional methods, but also supports local economies by providing farmers with additional income streams. Free-range goat farming allows goats to roam and forage naturally, leading to healthier animals and more nutritious milk. Goats are adept at grazing on various vegetation, which helps in land management by controlling overgrowth and promoting biodiversity. This method reduces the need for supplemental feeding and minimizes environmental impact. Transforming goat milk into cheese is both a science and an art. The process begins with pasteurizing the milk, then adding cultures and rennet to curdle it. The curds are cut, drained, and pressed into molds. Depending on the aging process, the cheese can range from soft and tangy to firm and sharp. This artisanal approach preserves traditional flavors and supports local economies. Shearing typically occurs in spring to prevent stress. Wool undergoes scouring, carding, and spinning to produce yarn. Processed wool is used for various products, from clothing to insulation. Sheep are slaughtered at around 1 year of age. Humane stunning methods are employed before processing. Meat is inspected, graded, and packaged for distribution.